Hello, I am Dr. Lakhan Singh, working as Assistant Professor in Center for Human Resource Development at National Institute of Rural Development and Panchayati Raj, Hyderabad. Today we are here to learn about a course on Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana. In short, we call it as SAGI. Today we will know about the introductory part of Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana. So let us understand what is Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana. Sansad Adarsh Gram Yojana is a dream project of Honorable Prime Minister of India, Sri Narendra Modi ji. He visualized his dream of Adarsh Gram as the nucleus of health, cleanliness, greenery and cordiality within the community. His idea of Adarsh Gram was inspired by Mahatma Gandhi's vision of a model village. Gandhiji was of opinion that unless we transform our villages from Swaraj to Suraj, rural development cannot be achieved. His vision of an ideal village, in his own words, can be seen in Harijan magazine. The essence of his ideal village is that every Indian village should be self-reliant and it should be a complete republic in its own way and governed by their rules in true sense. Keeping in view the vision of Mahatma Gandhi on ideal villages, Honorable Prime Minister Sri Narendra Modi ji has launched this scheme on 11th October 2014, which was birth anniversary of Lok Nayak Jai Prakash Narayan ji, who was a well-known social reformer and follower of Mahatma Gandhi ji's ideology. As the title of this scheme highlights the word Sansad, the Honorable Prime Minister requested all the members of Parliament to adopt villages in their own constituency and develop them as model villages as visioned by Mahatma Gandhi. Since 2014, around 2000 Gram Panchayats across India have been adopted by honorable members of Parliament. Before we move on to different modules of SAGI, let's watch some of the successful SAGI Gram Panchayats of our country. So we will show here 3 videos. Video number 1 will show about Sandavta GP Madhya Pradesh. Video number 2 will show about Zarba Gram Panchayat Jharkhand. Video number 3 will show about Mohalai Gram Panchayat of Chhattisgarh. I am sure that after watching these videos, you must be having several questions in your mind, such as how much budget is allocated under SAGI, which activities can be taken up, what are the implementation strategies, who can be beneficiary, what are the timelines, etc. We will come across all these questions and answers in upcoming slides. This entire course on SAGI is divided into 5 major modules. The first module is on about SAGI, which will discuss what is SAGI in detail. This section also includes deliberations on goal, values and approaches of SAGI. In addition, the current status of SAGI in India will also be displayed in order to make you aware about what has been achieved in SAGI. The second module is on activities under SAGI, which will elaborate on what activities can be taken up under SAGI. As such, boundaries of activities are not defined in SAGI. However, important activities which can be taken up in areas of personal, human, economic and social development have been identified for the ready reference of charge officers and other stakeholders. The third module is on implementation strategies of SAGI, which will address the question of how SAGI will be implemented. For example, identification criteria of Gram Panchayat, strategies to convert the identified villages into an Adarsh Gram, step-by-step planning process, etc. will be discussed. The fourth module is on roles and responsibilities in SAGI, which will focus on who will do what in SAGI. For effective implementation of the SAGI scheme in adopted villages, the roles and responsibilities of each stakeholder involved in SAGI are clearly defined. And the last module, that is fifth module, is on the monitoring system of SAGI, which will answer the questions related to how activities of SAGI will be monitored. To ensure transparency and good governance, a real-time based monitoring system has been put up in place to record all activities of SAGI being carried out. How the MIS system works will be demonstrated in this section. At the end of each module, there will be a few questions answers session to know your progress. Friends, all these 5 modules will be elaborated in detail in upcoming sessions. Thank you.